Hey, it's Sarah from the Happy Hootie. My daughter brought home this amazing little toy that she made in her maker's class at her STEAM school. It's a little harmonica, and I am going to learn how to make it, and we're going to show you too.
For this project, we need 3 rubber bands, 2 popsicle sticks, and 2 straws. First, we need a rubber band in the middle.
So you take a rubber band and wrap it around the whole thing.
But you need a straw and put it under before you attach the other rubber band.
Okay.
And then you will put the other one on top.
Okay.
And you're gonna put the straw up above. Here, look up from it. You're gonna put the straw up above. And you're gonna attach that down.
Okay, so we're gonna get another rubber band and attach it across again?
Not in the middle.
Just on the sides?
You're gonna attach it right there.
Okay, so we're attaching the sides.
Mm-hmm.
And we want it really tight or just a little bit?
Just like 5 knots.
Okay, so we get it pretty tight. And then we do the other
And
side?
then we do the other side, and then it's all done.
Oh, and that's it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we'll have to test it out. You get this one on here. Well, that was easy. What a fun little toy to make.
So you can adjust the straws and make different noises. Instead of like it being super low, you can adjust the noises.
So let's see it. Okay, let me see if mine works. Oh, it's a little bit smaller than yours. So the bigger the little chopstick things, what are these called?
Popsicle sticks?
Popsicle sticks. The bigger the popsicle sticks, the better they work.
Hope you like this fun little project you guys can do at home with your kids or even in school.
Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.